Most people assume Mistplay is a global app that should work everywhere. But then they search for it, open the store, and realize it's not available in their country. Here's the truth, no one tells you. This is not a bug. It is a regional restriction based on business rules, reward systems, and advertiser availability. In this video, you will learn exactly why Mistplay is not available in your country in 2026, which regions are supported, and what real options you have if you still want to use similar apps safely and effectively. Let's break it down clearly. First, Mistplay is a reward-based gaming platform. It gives points for playing mobile games, and those points are funded by advertisers. Now here is where it gets interesting. Advertisers do not pay the same rates in every country. So Mistplay only launches in regions where they can reliably generate revenue to cover rewards. That is why users like Alex in the US or Canada can access it easily, while users in other countries often cannot even download the app. But here's the problem. It's not just about money. There are also legal and payment limitations. Mistplay pays users through gift cards and reward partners like PayPal or regional stores. If those payout systems are not supported in your country, the app cannot operate safely. Now let's talk about regions. Mistplay is mainly available in countries like the United States, Canada, and a few select regions in Europe. If you are outside these zones, like in parts of Asia or Africa, the app may not appear in your store at all. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users try using VPNs to access Mistplay. But this is risky. Mistplay has strict detection systems. If they detect mismatched location data, your account can be limited or even suspended. So while it may seem like a shortcut, it often creates more problems than benefits. If you are like Jake, who just wants to earn rewards from gaming apps, there are safer alternatives depending on your country. Some regions have similar apps like cash reward gaming platforms, survey apps, or loyalty-based systems that work locally and pay reliably. Another important thing to understand is that availability can change over time. Apps like Mistplay expand slowly based on demand, advertising partners, and payout infrastructure. So just because it is not available, now does not mean it will never arrive in your country. Now let's quickly summarize what matters most. Mistplay is region-locked, due to advertiser funding, payout systems, and legal restrictions. It mainly works in supported Western countries. VPN use is risky and not recommended. And alternatives exist depending on your location. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, where we explain apps, rewards, and fixes in simple terms, like the video, drop a comment with your country and subscribe for more straightforward guides that actually help.